action time. All right. My name is Bam. 2018 SQ5. We got a nice cold air intake we're going to install. So we're going to pop this off. Simply pressing a button on here. Pops right up. Step 2. Just to pop these off. Comes up pretty easy. Actually, the only easy part. Wow, that was too simple. Something's not right. It's an Audi, nothing's easy. Let's put that over there. Alright, we got 2 screws. Screw here, and then the intake. I've got my handy dandy ratchet set. Take that off. Take that off. And that comes off in one piece with 2 screws. Way too easy. I think they finally figured out, let's make life a little easier for these people. Alright. Step 3. Take 2 screws. Blah, blah, blah. Remove engine cover. You really don't. But we gotta get rid of this guy. So the flathead to get rid. Let's put that up there. Cell phone there. Move the engine cover. Pretty simple. Those 4 rings, baby. This is my 3rd Audi, so you can see I already installed the blow-off valve. So what we're going to do is simply loosen that up, get that nice and soft. So I'm going to slip that bad boy off. I did order another piece here for the forgot what it's called, but it's for the intake. That's coming next week. But you know, I'm like a little kid. I'm anxious. I just want to get this going, so I am taking this off first. Just pull up on this to get that going. Yeah, simple. Pulls up. It's held down with that. So you just unlatch the one, pops right off the intake. Now we have a beautiful haul. Got some leaves in here. This is way too simple. What a pretty engine, huh? Look at the turbo. Beautiful. Alright, now time for assembling the intake. Let's see what we got. Okay. Got a nice big piece here. I don't know if you guys can see this, but for it to go this way. So alright, first things first is you want to reuse the garments that the intake comes with. So you pull those off and just push them back in the holes. Pop that off. Push it back in the holes. And number 3 is up here. Pop that off, push it back in the hole. So now here is the piece. So if you look in here, this slides right in. So I'm going to take this back out. So see the garments right there, another one right there. So now, based on the illustration, and use. Alright, so we get these little studs over here, and I guess what they do is we bolt them onto here, these 3 little holes, bolt them on, and then these fit snug into the garments. Alright, pretty cool engineering. We're all learning together, look at that. So, this is the little nut. Okay, got all 3 of these over here. Now I just got to tighten these bad boys up. .10mm socket. Swap that out. doing just holding these and tightening them up so they're nice and snug. Alright, so this one is not tight enough. This one is. Oh, that is not good. Son of a bitch. I just snapped it.